today's video, I'll show you how to view the history of changes in Monday.com, a must-know feature for tracking updates, edits, and team activities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board whose history you want to check. Each board has its own activity log, so it's important to be on the right one. Next, locate the 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner of the screen, also called the More Options menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select Activity Log. Here, you'll see a detailed timeline of all changes on the board, from newly added items to status updates and edits made by team members. You can scroll through to review everything and even use filters to search by date, user, or type of change. By checking your board's history, you can stay on top of updates, maintain transparency, and manage your projects more efficiently. And that's it. Now you know how to see the history in Monday.com. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!